everyone, welcome to Tip Time Thursday, and I have a huge confession to make this week because my closet is a big mess, and this week we're going to declutter my closet because it's full of stuff that I haven't touched in over 4 years. It's full of clothes that don't fit anymore. I'm planning a vacation coming up and I bought some new clothes to take with me. Join me this week to declutter my own closet. And don't forget to visit my website, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my newsletter, and thanks for joining me on Tip Time Thursday. Hi everyone, so I've moved in front of my closet, and as you can see, it's kind of just a big mess. What I've grabbed is a garbage bag, and the first thing I'm going to do is just going to go through and I'm going to take out all the clothes that I know I haven't worn in years and that I know don't fit. I recently spent a few minutes trying on clothes to wear for videos to make for you guys, and so I'm aware of what doesn't fit because I tried on a whole bunch of clothes recently. I'm just going to go through and take all of that out. I have to say this is turning out to be a little bit harder than I expected. I'm looking at dresses that I really had fun in and wish I could still wear but can't still wear. Maybe I hope I fit into them someday. And I'm really having to get tough with myself to actually get rid of them because I just don't have room for them. What are the chances that I'm going to fit back into them again? So I'm going to be really brutal with myself and get rid of stuff that I'm scared to get rid of. So I got a bigger trash bag and I'm going to dump the little one and fill up the big one. Okay, so what do you guys think? Does it look any better? Because this is way harder than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to have to take a break, sit down for a few, take some deep breaths, and I have this huge garbage bag full of clothes that I'm getting rid of. It's so heavy that I'm going to need help carrying it out to my car. I was able to get my new clothes in. Everything's kind of hanging a little bit better properly. I think it looks a little bit better. I'm going to do a little bit more later, so there's more to come.